Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm just trying out the cameras on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. This is in 4K at 30 frames. I might just keep it 4K, I might do 4K at 30 on the front and rear. And it may show some photos in there too, but how that sound? How does everything look? Forget the trash. Slow pan. It is cold in Texas right now, y'all. It went from 87 degrees down to 34 in one day. Look, there's baby girl. But yeah, it's kind of cold. Not gonna lie. How's the stabilization? This thing is a beast. It's just a beast. I love this tablet so far. Look. Shout out to the covers, the brake covers. But I'm gonna come back and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm gonna just do a little camera test and camera review. So 1080p at 30. How does everything look? How does that sound? It does kind of feel weird holding a tablet, walking around, but there's nobody out here because, like I said, it is cold. So hopefully this video test comes out good. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Now the video shouldn't be too long because I'm gonna just take some photos around here, put the videos together, and let's see what this Tab S8 can do. But yeah, it's definitely, man, my hands are getting cold. But I'm gonna come back with some more photos and then their front facing video too. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Yes, this is in 4K at 30. Man, you can really do some great things with this camera. But I'm gonna go into the car and finish this video. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I'm back in my car now. Man, it was cold outside, not gonna lie, but the cameras on this thing is a beast. Man, you can see my wrinkle up there, the psoriasis, the gray hair. You can really use this like for Zoom, and if you're working from home, you know, team meetings and stuff, you can definitely do it. Look at the car. Shout out to the 300, but everything looks really good on here. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about the whole video. How did it do in 4K at 30 on the rear and also 1080p? And the little photos I shot too. How did they come out? Y'all let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.